Are you using multiple brokers and having a rough time keeping track of all your investments? Well, I got you covered. With my custom stock tracking tools, you can take your investment career to a whole new level. With the investment tracking spreadsheet, you can keep a close eye on all your active positions in stocks or commodities based upon whichever currency you use to purchase the asset. The profit loss tracker, despite how frightening it looks, is the most user-friendly tracker out there. Using it, comparing your results to the overall market like SPY, QQQ, and DIA becomes as easy as spending your whole salary on shitcoins. The stock watch list is a one-way ticket out of apps filled with annoying ads. With this sheet, you can monitor the historic prices, daily change EPS PE ratios of your favorite companies, as well as visually illustrated price movements for periods such as the 30, 60, 180 day, or 1 year chart. Have I missed anything you would like to see in your custom investment tool? Maybe you have your own idea, but you don't know how to realize it. DM me and let's have a chat.